Hi everyone, I'm out here today because DJI just released a new firmware patch that adds in a lot of features that we've really been anticipating for the Mavic 3. There's some exciting new things. We're going to take a look at them, and I'm recording today with the DJI mic, which you can see right here, which so far I'm really impressed with. I'm testing it out. It's pretty darn nice. But today we're talking about the Mavic 3. Okay, to start off with, we're going to power it on and see how long it takes to acquire GPS, because, well, I've actually been having some issues with that recently, with it acquiring GPS. I'm not sure exactly why, but I'm hoping this firmware may have fixed whatever kind of bug that is. I don't know that it will, but we'll see. Powering that on. There we go. Waiting for it to connect to the app. And there we are. Let's see. Doesn't seem to be acquiring GPS any faster here. Oh no, there's 6 satellites. We got 6. We got 6. 7. Come on, come on. It has to get like 13 before it'll actually give me a strong GPS signal. 8. 8. Still 8. 9. Okay, we're at 9. This is going to be a really exciting portion of the video. If this is boring, you can just skip ahead, but I wanted to show the full length of this to see how well it does here with it. Oh, there we go. Okay, that is actually a significant improvement, I think, over what previously I've been experiencing with the Mavic 3. It's been pretty slow to acquire signal the past few weeks, but maybe this patch has kind of improved that situation. Okay. So I think we're ready to take off. I usually hand launch. I don't necessarily recommend that everybody do this. It's just how I do it, because I'm used to doing it, and the ground around here is extremely wet and very uneven. So it's just easier that way. So first thing they've added is Quickshots. So we've got Droney. We'll set that up here. Turn away there. Ooh, get it into position. Yeah. There it goes. It's got me, and I'm gonna hit start. 2, 1. That's my sister Lorian right there. And there it goes. I've got it set just to 25 meters, is the lowest setting there. So it's not going to go very high. And there, it's done and it's returning. I'm just going to let it return by itself. There we go. Cool. So next we're going to try out Rocket. Okay. Hit start. 2, 1. There we go. You can see all the mud everywhere. Everything is completely muddy. Oh, low visibility. That is not like the fog here. It's been foggy for the last several days. Okay, got that one. And just for the record, I'm only filming in 4K 30 right now. This new update actually allows it to go up to 4K 60 when doing Quickshots. So I'm going to switch to that. Oh, It's not letting me do that. I thought that update allowed that. Oh, for master shots, not quick shots. Okay. Okay. So we might test that out in a little bit. And so next we're gonna go to a circle. We've got some trees around here, so we'll see how this goes. I may have to stop it. And we're ready, and 2, 1. Here it goes. It's got obstacle sensors, so it should be fine. It should be fine. I'm gonna keep my, oop, watch out for the barn. Watch out for the barn. Watch out for the barn. All the way around. Okay. Woo! Whew. Okay. That one's down. Next, we're gonna do Helix. This will sort of be like the circle, but it'll go out and around, so this will be even more risky. Hee hee. Okay, and start. 3, 2, 1. And boom. My finger on the button, just in case. It should do fine. It should be able to sense that. Should be able to see that tree. Okay, I think it's above the roof of the barn, so we're good there. We're good there. We're good there. Okay. Whew, home free, home free. Up it goes, up and away. Oh, it's going fast now. Hey, that's pretty good. I wonder if it was actually sensing the trees or if it just happened to have the right flight path for that or not. I don't know. And anyway, it did a very good job there. Very good job. And here we come back for another round. Okay. Now we're going to go to Boomerang. Aircraft will fly around the subject in an oval shape at an upward diagonal incline. Okay. Okay. And start. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Here we go. Careful of the barn. Careful of the barn. Don't run into the barn. Oh, no, it's over. It's overhead. There we go. All righty. And here it comes back. Should be a cool shot. And there we go. That one worked like magic too. Now, last one, we have Asteroid. Now, this is where it'll fly to a max height and then shoot a sphere panorama. So that should be interesting. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. It goes away slowly, slowly increasing speed, increasing speed, increasing speed. Up we go, up we go, up we go. Up we go, into the clouds, into the fog. Hopefully not all the way into the fog because it doesn't like that. But it's going up there, it's going up there. Low environmental visibility. Actually, it's not in the fog though. It shouldn't be bothered by that. I don't know. That's one thing I found here with this drone actually, is that it really is pretty sensitive to particulates in the air, like water droplets. The sensors are pretty sensitive. So, well, I mean, that's really good if you're avoiding obstacles, but it also, in some cases, stopped it in the air when it's like got a false positive. Although, actually, the last firmware update did help with that, I found. So I haven't really had an issue with that recently, but it does still have that thing where it's having issues with the optical sensors in the fog. And here it comes returning. That'll be a cool one. Slowly, slowly. I'm just letting it do its thing. I'm not returning it at my own speed, which would be much faster than this. And there. Did a pretty good job with that. These are all working flawlessly. I'm very impressed. Okay, next we have panorama mode. We're just gonna do panorama. So we're gonna switch to photo. Oh, I didn't have to switch to photo. I could have just gone to panorama mode. And we are not, we ought to shot a sphere there, so I think we'll just do a wide angle here out over the foggy pasture. That'll be interesting. We'll just take it up here, frame it a little bit better. Maybe back off a little bit. And do that. Okay. You don't have to hold it up there. You can keep the camera down. I'm so sorry. This is a lot. I should have just had it on a tripod, I guess. But it looks so much better when somebody's holding it and they can swing it around. It's okay. Okay? I really appreciate it, Lorian. You're getting included in my video. You're getting free exposure. Okay, we're not going to go through every single one of these new things, I don't think. We're just covering the most interesting ones. Added burst shooting. I guess we can try that out. Yeah, you know what? I'm sure burst shooting works. I'm not sure if I'd ever use burst shooting, but I can see where, I don't know, if you're doing action, it'd probably be useful. Digital zoom for normal video mode, so we can do that really quick. So I guess we just hit record and then don't just tap that. Oh yeah, you get 2 times zoom there. That's pretty nice. Quick transfer. We've got added zoom and D-log for focus tracking when recording video. Added support to set return home altitude for advanced return home. That's very nice. Got added USB mode for Mavic 3 Cine. I don't have the Mavic 3 Cine here, so we can't test that. Optimized accuracy of color rendition. We'll see about that in the editing here. Increased sharpness of the telecamera when shooting at high magnification. We're gonna have to try that out here, actually. Okay, so just hold on a minute here longer, Lorian. We'll, okay. So we're gonna go all the way out to 7 times. Oh, there's some deer out there. I'll just record those there. This nice foggy scene. We'll see how sharp it is. I guess 7 times is the optical zoom. So that's generally where I like to stay for recording video. I generally don't use digital zoom in any of the cameras I use, but just for the heck of it, we're gonna center these deer in the picture. We're gonna go into 14 times and 28 times. And I mean, it looks pretty grainy on the screen there, but if we go back to 7 times, I don't know, I think, let's pan over to these trees here, down to the grass. You know what? I have to get this back into the computer, but just looking at this, it does look noticeably sharper. And if so, I am very glad of this, because I love the 7 times zoom on the Mavic 3, but it's in a lot of cases I found been a little bit too not sharp. So this is a very welcome thing to have in it. And just look at this list again. Got optimized image area for time-lapse photos. That's nice. I'm not going to test that out right now. It's a minor but very good thing. We've got, and then there's some additional things that benefit the RC Pro users. And then fix some minor bugs, one of which I think was the GPS issue, because it did acquire GPS more quickly than it has in the past, which I very much appreciate. So, in conclusion, we're gonna land this here and wrap this video up so my sister can put down the camera she's been so kindly holding this whole time. And landing. Well, very cool. I am very impressed actually with these updates that DJI has added to the Mavic 3. It is a very fully featured drone now. And I can definitely recommend it. I mean, this is the best drone that's out there right now. I love the Mavic 2 Air 2S. Love that drone. It's very small and portable, but if you're looking for just the best picture quality, the most features, the most versatility, the Mavic 3 is definitely the king of the heap right now. Best of any company's drones, I would definitely prefer the Mavic 3. And yeah, I'm glad to see that they're rolling out some really significant updates on a fairly regular basis for this guy, just making it better and better and fixing some of those bugs that people have been experiencing over the last several months. Yeah, so this is very cool. Thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned, I've got a lot more videos coming up, a lot more content about the Mavic 3, the DJI Mic, the DJI Action 2, some cameras. Someday, the Nikon Z9. But I better wrap this up because my sister is giving me a loop. She's giving me the cut motion. I'm so sorry. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.